Did you know that the first official food eaten on the moon was bacon? Today we are going to make something special that we hope you will enjoy making as a family. We are making bacon and maple shortbread moons. You will need 5 rashers of bacon that have been cooked until crispy. You can use vegetarian bacon alternatives if they crisp when cooked. 120 grams of salted butter, 50 millilitres of maple syrup, 40 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 20 grams of cornflour, 150 grams of plain flour and 85 grams of good quality chocolate. In a mixer, beat the butter, maple syrup and sugar on a medium speed for 90 seconds, or until it goes creamy. Sift in the cornflour, flour and salt into the mixture, and on a slow speed mix until fully combined, but do not overwork the dough. Remove from the mixer and gently stir in 4 rashers of bacon that you have finely chopped. Place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper or cling film and roll out. Chill this in a freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Whilst chilling, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. Remove the dough from the freezer and use a cutter to create rounds. Now bake your biscuits for 20 to 22 minutes. While your biscuits cool, melt the chocolate in a microwave for 30 seconds at a time, stirring after each 30 seconds until the chocolate has completely melted. Dip your biscuits in the melted chocolate to create half moons, and sprinkle the remaining finely chopped bacon over the biscuits while the chocolate is wet. Now chill in the fridge until the chocolate sets. We hope you enjoy making and eating these biscuits. Please do share your pictures of your finished biscuits with us on our social media channels.